today I'm gonna react on Darman's another video because I just love his videos. I'm just obsessed. So let's do it.
Everyone's checking out your new whip.
Did you see that attitude? Bro, people got better cars than you, so don't give me that.
Good. I didn't wait this long for my parents to get me this car for people not to notice.
You are so lucky. I wish my parents would give me a car like this.
At least Beth takes us to school in it.
True. Guys, check out that piece of junk.
Is that Allison's car? Does that thing even run?
I don't even know.
Bruh, you just sitting judging other people's car. Wow, that's pathetic.
Let's go and find out. Follow me.
There you go. You got all your books and your homework in there? Okay, good. Come on.
Nice rust bucket, Allie. Did you pick that up straight from the junkyard?
Good morning to you too, Bethany.
Seriously though, your family can't even get you a decent car?
You spoiled brat. Not everyone's parents are rich and spoil their kids like you.
Have you seen Beth's new ride?
Yeah, it's worth over 100 grand.
Does she give a heck? No.
Well, that's great for Bethany. We don't have that kind of money.
Wow, this really sucks.
People really should know how to mind their own business, cause she absolutely don't know how to.
Being poor. See you around, brokey.
What the heck was that?
Come on.
What's wrong with our car?
Nothing. They're just being mean. Don't worry about them, okay? Nah, where's your jacket? It's cold.
Shoot, I forgot it at home.
That's okay. Here. You can take mine.
This sister is really like sweet.
There you go. Now let's get you to homeroom before you're late, okay? Come.
Hey, do you hit the mall later today?
Ugh, I can't. My mom's making me volunteer at the hospital.
Seriously, why?
Trust me, the last thing I want to be doing is delivering food to sick people. But my college counselor told my mom that I need to do these kinds of things if I want to get into a good school.
That sucks.
I know.
Okay, everyone, let's go. It's cold, so let's get started. Allison, where's your coat?
I gave it to my little sister.
There's a student store. Why don't you see if you can grab yourself a hoodie?
Obviously, she don't have money. If she had, she would have done that.
That's all right. I'll be okay.
Are you sure? It's because she can't afford it. Everyone knows how broke she is.
Okay, really, Bethany? That kind of talk is unnecessary unless you would like to run laps all period. I didn't think so. Why don't you go see if there's a lost and found? You can find something from there. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
So hurry back.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Thanks. Okay. Everybody else? Up, 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 up. Stretch it up. Arms up. Smile. You're all happy to be here.
Wow.
Why are they all dresses? In here.
You look like a raccoon rummaging through that trash.
Do you need something? Otherwise, I don't understand why you're following me.
No one's following you. Relax. I just came in here to use the bathroom. I can't believe you're wearing other people's rejects.
You know, Bev, you should really be kind to people because you never know what they could be going through.
You're such a loser.
Nat, what's going on? Shouldn't you be at lunch?
Yeah, but I don't have any credits left.
That's okay. Here you go. Take this.
Wait, how are you gonna eat?
Don't worry about me. Now you better get going before lunch ends, okay?
Thank you.
Of course. Go.
You're the best sister ever.
You good?
Allison, cook?
It looks like there isn't any money in your account.
Yeah, I know. Can you put it on my credit?
Sorry, you're out of credit too. Oh, we do have a free lunch option if you want.
Okay.
I hope there's something good and free lunch option because no one wants to eat trash.
Thanks.
Hey.
You guys have to come over. My mom got this new private chef, and his food is to die for.
Just let us know when.
Check out Allison's food.
Ew, what is that?
So she's eating one of the free meals. You're kidding. What is this?
Oatmeal? What does it look like?
Oh, I think the spoiled brat haven't eaten any oatmeal. Wait, I also haven't. No guys, I'm not a spoiled brat. Sorry.
Ew. Is that even edible?
No, my plan is just to stare at it until I'm no longer hungry.
Dude, that was salad.
I can't even look at it. I just lost my appetite.
Well, not everyone has mommy and daddy's money to afford fancy lunches.
Oh, poor you. Literally.
These girls are laughing for no reason at all. There is nothing funny.
Loser. Oh.
Does these cars still exist? I don't think so.
Is the car okay?
Just a second, Nat.
We're gonna be late.
I know. I'll just figure something out, okay? Why don't you just wait in the car?
Having some car troubles, Allie?
Not at all. I just enjoy popping my hood and getting some fresh air before I drive home.
You know, I'd give you a ride, but this car is new, and I don't want you in here with that smelly lost and found hoodie.
Nor does she want to.
Catch you later, brokey.
I'm so sorry, but they don't know how to laugh at all. They're laughing like witches.
You know what? Come on, we're walking.
It's gonna be so cold. It's gonna take so long.
Better late than never, right? Sorry. It'll just be a little adventure. Me and you. Does that sound fun? Okay, let's go.
Mommy!
Hey, sweetie. How was school?
Good. Today we learned about sharks.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Hey, Mom. The car broke down, so we had to walk.
Honey, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad that you have to take care of everything. You should only have to focus on school and not on everything else.
No, it's okay. Just focus on getting better, please. We're pulling through.
I just wish your dad would have
Stop,
done me.
okay? We don't need to talk about that anymore.
Okay. So how's work going?
Work is fine. I picked up a late shift tonight. I'm gonna go after I put Nat to bed.
You work so hard. At school?
School is okay. There's just some girls who have been, let's just say, less than nice.
Damn, dude, she's now dead.
What are you doing here? I'm volunteering. Here's your mom's food. I'll take that. Sorry for the intrusion. Hey, Nat. Why don't you hang out with Mom and get started on your homework? I'll be right back, okay? Hey! Hi. Were you eavesdropping on us? That was a private conversation. No, I didn't mean to. I didn't even know your mom was in the hospital. Look, if you have any more snide remarks, just save that for school. I'm here to be with my mom. I get it. Wait. I'm sorry. From what I heard, it sounds like you've been through a lot. You have no idea. Do you mind me asking what happened? Why? So you can use that against me to try and humiliate me at school? No. I promise. I get it if you don't want to say. I'm probably the last person you want to talk to right now, so. Look, it all started going downhill about a year ago. You see, my mom was having some health issues and a bunch of tests were done. Eventually, we got the results back and found out she had cancer.
Oh no, this is so emotional.
When she started treatment, she would be sick all the time. Nat and I did our best to support her. But my dad, on the other hand, couldn't handle the pressure. So he walked out on us. With my mom in the hospital and my dad out of the picture, we had to downsize everything. Even though it's really hard sometimes, I have to be strong for my sister. So you see, that's what's been going on in my life for the past year. That's why I can't afford nice things. Oh my gosh. I had no idea. If I had known, I would have never... What? Been so mean? Yeah. I'm so sorry. I appreciate you saying that.
Allie, sweetheart, are you okay out there?
I'll be right in, Mom. I gotta go. I'll see you in school. Bye.
Okay, so now she regrets it. Wow. These people are out of control.
I think we're gonna have to walk to school today.
But that's so far.
I know, and I'm sorry, but there's honestly nothing I can do. The car is just doing its own thing. Hi. Hey, what are you doing here? Sorry to show up unannounced. Someone told me that you live over here. I wanted to catch you before school. Okay. What's up? Listen, I feel really bad about everything, so I brought you guys some stuff. You got us clothes and groceries? No, that's okay. We don't need to accept your sympathy. We'll be fine. No, that's not what this is about. I did this because I realized you were right.
You should always be kind because you never know what someone's going through. I'm really sorry.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Are you still having trouble with your car? Can I give you a ride?
No, we're just gonna walk.
Come on. I have plenty of room. It's cold out. What if she got sick? Please.
Do you think Bethany should give us a ride?
Yes, please.
I guess we'll take it.
Okay,
Great. I'll just put this inside real quick and then I'll be right back out.
Sounds good.
Come on, let's go.
That's so nice of her. So now she learns the lesson. And I also want to tell you guys that you should be kind to people because you never know what they are going through. So that's the lesson. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Honey, there's a lot that can happen on a long drive.
Great! A flat tire! It says there's no service!
Why did some car just pull up behind us?
There's a guy that just got out!
Guys, what if he's a killer? What do we do?